The power of positivity and kindness. Transform your life today. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly change your life for the better. The benefits of positivity and kindness. In a world that can sometimes feel chaotic and overwhelming, embracing positivity and kindness can make a world of difference. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore how these simple yet powerful traits can transform your life. So what exactly do we mean by positivity and kindness? Positivity is all about maintaining an optimistic outlook, focusing on the good and believing in the best possible outcome. Kindness, on the other hand, is about being considerate, compassionate, and giving to others. Together, these qualities can create a ripple effect that benefits not just you, but everyone around you. Further, did you know that positivity can actually rewire your brain? According to research, consistently practicing positive thinking can increase your brain's ability to process positive information. This means you're more likely to see opportunities rather than obstacles and solutions rather than problems. Studies have shown that positive people tend to have lower levels of stress, better physical health, and even longer lifespans. It's incredible how a simple shift in mindset can have such profound effects on our well-being. Now let's talk about kindness. Acts of kindness, whether big or small, can have powerful impacts. When you're kind to others, your brain releases feel-good chemicals like serotonin and oxytocin. This not only boosts your mood but also strengthens your immune system and can even reduce feelings of pain. But it's not just about the giver. Kindness is contagious. When someone witnesses an act of kindness, they're more likely to pay it forward. This creates a positive chain reaction, spreading joy and goodwill throughout our communities. So how can you bring more positivity and kindness into your life? Here are some practical tips. Start your day with gratitude. Take a moment each morning to reflect on what you're thankful for. This sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and appreciate the moment. This helps reduce stress and increases your overall happiness. Perform random acts of kindness. Hold the door open for someone, compliment a stranger, or volunteer your time. Small gestures can make a big difference. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with positive people, read uplifting books, and avoid negative media. Be kind to yourself. Remember to treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding that you would offer to a friend. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of positivity and kindness. Remember, small acts of kindness and a positive mindset can create a ripple effect that spreads far and wide. So let's make a conscious effort to cultivate positivity and kindness in our daily lives and watch as our world transforms for the better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and positivity. Until next time, stay positive and spread kindness wherever you go. Take care.